Hi guys, thanks for joining us today, and I'm gonna show you what I made over the past month. First, we made a Anti Venom mask. As you can see, the eyes could detach. I'm gonna put it back. Yeah, it's super easy. I'm gonna show you it. That's the magnet, so we'll leave it on there. And let me show you to pop out the other eye. That. It's like the same. And also the back will pop out like that. And let me put it on to show you guys. We also added pads. As you can see, this is it wearing on. As you can see, that's the side, that's the side. These are the front and yeah. I made this because I'm a big fan of Spider-Man, so I made it because a lot of you guys said to make Spider-Man, Venom, whatever, all of those, so you made them, and that's why I made it. And we also have the Venom mask. As you can see, it looks super cool. And it could also move the mouth like this. As you can see, I'm gonna put it on. And we also added pads to it too. As you can see, this is it wearing on. And this is it wearing on. See? And and it also had pads in it. And we could also move the mouth. And why I made this one is because you guys wanted to tell us to make it, so we made it for you guys. I'm gonna take it off. And this is the inside. See? And why I made it because it looks super cool, and we wanted to make it because it looks super awesome. As you can see, it's super well creative, and yeah. Thanks for joining us today, and make sure to like and subscribe, and we're out.